Despite turning in their best execution in round 3 of the two-man bobsleigh competition on Tuesday, Jamaica's pair of Shane Pitter and Junior Harris missed out on competing in the fourth and final medal round at the Winter Olympics in Milano Cortina, Italy. The duo finished 22nd overall after 3 heats in a competitive field of 26 teams. Their third run, an improved 55.97 seconds, marked their fastest of the event, placing them 17th in Heat 3 and bringing their combined time to 2 minutes 49.37 seconds. They will now shift their focus to the four-man event. Brakeman Taekwondo Tracy says the team knows it will be challenging.
Competition is way higher here. It's going to be a tough challenge for us, and we have prepared to the best of our ability. Just like the North America Cup, the odds were stacked against us, and we did come out on top in a few other races. The odds are definitely stacked even higher here against us, and we are here to do our best with the equipment and the guys that we have, the talent that we have.
Training for Heat 1 in the four-man event will start at 4 a.m. Jamaica time on Wednesday.